Welcome to Lesson 1 on Maths Planning, a whole class session focusing on conversion between grams and kilograms.
Today, we're converting grams and kilograms. Our goal is to convert between grams and kilograms.
Our learning goals include explaining the relationship between grams and kilograms and converting between them using multiplication and division. We will also solve real-world problems involving mass.
Let's recap the 1,000 rule. The metric system uses powers of 10, and the prefix kilo means 1,000. Therefore, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. To move between them, we multiply or divide by 1,000. Kilogram to g, the multiplication rule. To go from a larger unit, kilogram, to a smaller unit, g, we multiply by 1,000. For example, 3 kilograms equals 3 times 1,000, which is 3,000 grams.
G to kilogram, the division rule. To go from a smaller unit, g, to a larger unit, kilogram, we divide by 1,000. For example, 2,500 grams divided by 1,000 is 2.5 kilogram.
Now, let's practice together. Question 1. If 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, how many grams is 0.5 kilograms? Question 2. How many kilograms is 3,000 grams of flour? Question 3. What is 1,500 grams converted into kilograms?
To summarize, 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. To go from small to big, g to kilogram, divide by 1,000, moving the decimal point 3 places left. To go from big to small, kilogram to g, multiply by 1,000, moving the decimal point 3 places right.
Now it's your turn. Complete the basic conversions, decimal conversions, and word problems presented on the screen. Here are the answers for the You Do exercises. Please review your work and check your conversions. For a greater challenge, try the You Do Extreme section. This includes platinum and diamond level conversions, some involving fractions, and addition/subtraction. Finally, here are the answers for the You Do Extreme challenge. Take some time to compare your results with the correct answers.